In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to refine your invoicing process, this guide will help you through each step with ease. We'll start from the very beginning by navigating to Zoho accounts and move step by step until your invoice is successfully uploaded. First, let's begin by heading over to your Zoho accounts page. You'll want to make sure you're logged in with your correct credentials. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and enter the Zoho account's URL. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your username and password. If you're already logged in, you'll immediately access the home page. Once you're logged in and on the Zoho account's homepage, direct your attention to the screen where you will notice a grid or array of app icons. Look for the section, often referred to as the 6 box, or simply the app menu. Clicking on this will give you access to all the applications available in Zoho's suite of services. It's essentially your gateway to navigating the range of functionalities Zoho offers. After clicking the 6-box menu, you should now see a list of applications. Look for Invoice among the options provided. Once you've located it, click on it to be taken to the Invoice Management section of Zoho Books. The Invoice section will allow you to handle and manage all your billing needs, making it a central feature for maintaining financial records and transactions with clients. You're now in the dedicated space for invoices, and it's time to proceed with uploading. Within the Invoice section, there should be several options and settings at your disposal. Focus on finding the Upload button. This might be located in a toolbar or within a drop-down menu, depending on the version and any personal customizations of your interface. When you click Upload, you'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. Choose the invoice file you want to upload. Make sure it's in a compatible format. Typically, PDF is preferred and has all necessary details filled out, such as contact information, itemized charges, and any applicable taxes. With everything in order, select your invoice file from your computer and confirm the selection. The file will begin uploading, and you'll see a progress indicator letting you know when the upload is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded an invoice to Zoho Books, paving the way for streamlined billing processes. Remember, keeping your invoices organized and up to date is crucial for maintaining good financial health. So revisit this process whenever you need to upload new invoices. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.